everyone, welcome to Mary's Place.
Hi everyone, we're just going to be making a simple dish. It's the navy beans with smoked ham shanks. It's very simple, very easy. I'll give you a moment to read the ingredients. You can pause it if you want to cook it right now. But you know how when you go to the pantry and stuff, they give you these bags of beans and stuff, and I'm showing people that don't know how to make them. Anyway, make sure you wash and sort all through your beans. You don't want to have any bad beans in your pan. Just add water level with the beans. Water only in the beginning. Now we're going to saute some onions and some red bell peppers, the sweet kind, not the hot kind. You can use the hot kind if you want it, but not everybody in my family can eat it. So, sorry for my sniffles. I have a little bit of a cold going on here. And I'm just adding a few of my seasonings, my adobo, my chicken powder, which is chicken bouillon, and I'm going to give that a little mixy. That way all the beans can absorb the flavor a little bit. The beans are cooked about halfway right now. Now I'm going to add some crushed red pepper into my peppers and onions. You don't have to add this. It's just something we do. We kind of like that little bit of a bite. This wasn't bad at all though. I probably should have added a little bit more. And nutmeg. Nutmeg helps bring out the flavor in vegetables. And pepper. I'm going to add a little bit more pepper to the beans. I forgot to put some in there. Boy, I wish I could get rid of this cold. Whew! Terrible. I hope everybody had a great Valentine's. I had a wonderful one. I was spoiled. I got to get an Instant Pot. And my Pioneer woman's dishes. I love that lady. Now I've got my hand shakes in with my peppers and my onions. Steady there, camera. My dog's at my feet. He keeps moving my tripod. think he wants my attention. He smells food. He's hoping I'll drop him something. I'm not dropping him no onions, so. Now I'm adding some garlic. Yes, I'm cheating. I have the already minced kind. You can get it for $1 at the Dollar Tree. Why not? I'm going to give this a little mixy, and I'm going to put it in the oven after I turn it over, and I'm going to roast it for about 25 minutes on 400 Fahrenheit. If you don't like ham, guys, you can put in chicken. I know there's some people, their religion don't eat ham, so grab you some chicken and throw it in there. Chicken will work. Now you're going to place it in your oven on 400 degrees, uncovered. When it starts getting that little bit of a color on the top, pull it out, just like this. See how it's a little darker around the rims? That's what you want. Now it's got that caramel flavor in it, you know, that you get from cooking, from browning. And you just throw that in with your beans, juices and all. Don't waste any of it. Then we're going to give that a little mixy, and we're going to simmer it after we add a little bit of water, because it does need more water. That was very hot to the touch, the handle was, so I'm grabbing my mitt. These pans get very hot, their lids and the handles do, so I keep forgetting. I don't know why I do that. I cook enough. Checking a Bing just to see how much water I need to put in. I kind of know how to wing it that way, just from the taste of a Bing. Now I ended up simmering this on like a not a real low temperature, but a low temperature for 35 minutes. I'm adding some accent. I always add the accent almost near the end with things that have a lot of broth in it, because it will actually cook out the flavor if I don't. So I'm adding parsley now, and I'm going to add some Italian seasoning. So 2 teaspoons of parsley, and I think it's a tablespoon that I put in of the Italian. And yes, I'm going to be making that cornbread again for us. Gotta have cornbread with beans, right guys? That or rice. And cornbread it is. I had one more box left and we got to get rid of it, so. Now we're going to simmer that on like a high low. Please don't look at the back of my stove there. That's from the beans. It splashed up on the stove. The stove was not dirty when I started. I'm just a messy cook today. I almost forgot the butter. You got to add a little fat. Normally in the past I would add a whole stick, but we can't do that anymore. And that's after 35 minutes. So we're just getting a little bit of beans, and we'll have some cornbread with that, and that is supper. That is what we're having at Mary's place today. Doesn't this look good? Here, I'll give you a close-up. How's that look, guys? Look good? It's very good. Anyway, thank you for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like and share out my video. Sharing out my video does help me a lot. I really appreciate everybody that does that for me. If you haven't subscribed to me yet, please subscribe. And while you're at it, go ahead and subscribe to my 2 friends. I add 2 friends on every video at the end. So you never know, if you make a comment, you might be the next person. That's how I share people out. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day.